Good morning everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. Pretty excited about today. Again, headed down to the shop to do a little bit more fabrication on the MG and maybe get to play with a new project. Not sure yet, but either way, I still need to fix the front fenders, and then we also have to put the nose cone on and maybe replace the rear portion of the car below the trunk. So still a lot to do on this car. You know, each day is something a little bit different. I know the last 2 days have been kind of rocker panels and patch panels on the rear fenders and things like that. But today, I think I'm going to finish installing the rear patch on the driver's side, and then I'm going to start working on building a patch panel for the front fender on the passenger side. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm pretty excited about that. You know, get to play with obviously the English wheel some more and things like that. I mean, I really enjoy shaping the metal. So yeah, anyway guys, when we get to the shop, I'll give you an update on everything, and we'll get rocking and rolling.
Okay, we got the patch panel in. Really happy with how that turned out. I need to get this belting kind of in place, so that's what I'm going to tackle next. But making progress.
Now that was a successful day. I was able to finish up that driver's side quarter panel, getting that patch welded in, adding a bunch of more metal to that. Worked on creating that belting where it actually attaches to that door pillar, where the striker and all that stuff goes. So that was pretty cool and a lot of fun to build. And I was able to create a tighter tolerance between the panel and that. So I'm really happy with the way that turned out. I love using that spot welder. It makes things way easy. So when we go to final fit that panel, I think, overall result is going to be, a good one. Anyway, yeah, that was just a good time. Looking forward to what tomorrow has to offer. I think I'll finish getting that fitment on that, maybe work on the lower part of the front fenders. We'll see. Each day is just kind of something new, or I'll just hop over to the other side, get the belting done on the rear fender. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. I know I say that every time, but it really does mean a lot to me. I know, these are kind of repetitive, but I want to give you guys kind of daily updates of what I'm doing as I'm at work and doing some different things. I mean, fabrication is a lot of fun, and getting to see a car kind of come back from, being pretty rough to, looking halfway decent is very rewarding. So I really enjoy getting to share that with you guys. Again, thank you for watching the videos. If you enjoy it, hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.